Hello.
Hello, Mr. Boy. Long
Hello
time no see.
po. Long time, long time no see. So we see each other last June, July, May, June, May, right?
Mm,
May
yes,
line of 17th or 18th, I guess, right? Because we have a class last week, Monday and Tuesday, right?
yes,
Because at Monday, there was an power shortage here in the Philippines, especially in our city, because the weather here in the Philippines was so raining. So right now, it was very cold, but luckily, the current or the electricity was not turned off, so we
mm.
can have our class. Okay, so by the way po, how are you? How are you?
Oh, I'm great. I had a trip last week
Mm-hmm.
with my friends.
So where did you go? Where did you went?
Um, I went to Dalag city. This is the comfortable weather
Mm-hmm.
place, and this is very famous with the traveler, domestic, and with the foreigners.
So what are the unforgettable moments you had?
Mm,
In,
yes.
what activities did you do?
Um, the first day, when I went to Dalag City, it is raining. It's rainy all day because we have the bad weather effect. Um, but after that, the weather going to better. They have the
Mm-hmm.
it's have the sunshine, and we have many outdoor activities. Like we rent um the scooter to come around the city and see the scenery.
Okay. So did you allowed po to drive a scooter? Do you have a license already? Do you have a license?
Mm,
License or
Business?
yes, license. I will type here. License. License. License in
Like
driving a motorcycle. Do you have a license?
yes, yes, we
Mhm.
have.
Okay, so you are able to ride along the city. Okay.
Mm.
Then how about po, how many are you? Are you
Um, Me and with my three
coworkers?
friends.
Okay,
No,
so
my friend. Mm.
so you've been planning that for how many months?
Um, it's just one day for planning.
Okay, because here in the Philippines, in order to make an activity, we have to plan it weeks or even months of planning because we have to consider the schedule, right? The schedule if we are free and also the finance or the money. So,
Mm-hmm.
for example, if we will go to a beach, so my friends, we will have to make a short meeting so that we can save money. So, in order to make us or to buy some foods, we have an extra money for the said activity. Okay,
Mm.
so that is our reason that we had no class last week. Okay, so I am very happy that I can handle a class again on you. Okay. In short, I miss Pook. I miss to teach Pook. Okay, so by the way Pook, let's start or let's continue our topic. Okay, so right now Pook,
Hmm,
our topic is all about this one.
hmm.
Extreme sport.
Extreme sport.
Okay, so when we say extreme sport, what is your idea po on this one?
Mm,
Extreme sport.
I think it is the sports with um the sport um plays in the difficult uh difficult place
Mhm.
like the mountain like um mountain uh
In the
ocean, yeah,
oh, okay, okay.
and yeah, it will bring you feel the dangerous feel.
Okay, so then sport and when we said po sport and extreme sport, they are similar sports, but sport when we say sport only, it is the example of this one is the basketball, volleyball, what else? A table tennis. What sports do you like, Pook? Or your habit right now? What sports? Because I am
Uh,
because personally I like to play basketball and volleyball. So I love to play, but I am not really good at it. Okay, how about you? How about you? What is
um,
your
I like badminton and
mhm.
swimming in the pool.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
How about in the ocean, in the sea?
Actually, I'm not good at swimming, so
Mhm.
I have never swim in the ocean.
But you
I'm
have
scared. I'm
but you
scared about.
have tried po to have a swimming lesson. Did you try?
No, never.
Ah, okay. So you learned by yourself or who teach you? Who taught you how to swim?
Um, I trust in my childhood. I have a small lake in my house. So my father teach me swim in this lake.
Mm-hmm. Okay,
Hmm.
because here in the Philippines we have a culture how to teach a children. We only toss into the sea. Okay, so like when we are riding a boat, right? So
Hmm.
at least 5 to 6 years old, we will throw them at the sea. So even if the child cries, we will not take it. We will not take it. Then uh after that he will become brave. He will learn from that. So that's the training on how to learn a swim here in the Philippines. So some children cries because they are not able to learn swimming. But me personally, I learned swimming because of my father. So they taught me how to swim. Okay, so
Hmm.
let's proceed po. Okay, so why do people enjoy extreme sports? So let me share my ideas first. Okay, so extreme sports like this one. So a what's we call this a motocross, right? Motocross. We know how to ride a motorcycle, right? But we don't know how to jump high, right? It was
Yes.
so it was so dangerous. Okay, so uh I have seen so many. videos or clips spoke that like this one riding a motorcycle or motocross, they
mm,
had an injury, right?
mm.
They broke their legs, they broke their arms, right? And also this one, the skateboarding, right? Because some people make this a hobby, but it was also a very dangerous sports.
Yes.
Okay, so but my question po,
Mm.
why this word, why boring uh included that in these words that we have to use? So boring. So what's your idea? Why boring is here? Do you know already the word boring?
Yes.
Okay, so I
Mm.
if I am not mistaken, I teach you or I am able to give the definition of this one or not.
No, I can't remember.
Okay, so boring. Okay. So boring for you, what is the word boring po? Bored, boring.
Boring, just like when you do the thing uh with nothing special and
Mhm.
or you do the thing every day, it doesn't give you the feeling
Mhm.
um with the amazing
Okay. So
and you're not excited anymore.
okay. So
Hmm.
some person or people choose to play extreme sports. Why? Because they feel like doing what? Doing sports only or for example, basketball, volleyball,
Mm,
or
mm,
badminton is boring, right?
mm. Yes.
So that's why they choose an extreme sports. They want challenging
Mm.
activities. Okay, so how about this one? Different,
Different.
different, different.
Mm,
You know this word different?
yes, yes, I know
Okay,
what
so
is mean.
different,
Mm.
different. Why is different are here is here in the words may be used. Can you give me po a sentence using this word different, different? For example, uh, there are different sports like basketball, badminton, but I love to choose extreme sports like motocross, skate
Mm.
diving, what else? Sports that are very risky like wall climbing or
Mm.
right? Because like climbing in the Mount Everest. Did you remember or did you hear that uh news book that there are a lot of people who died when climbing the Mount Everest?
Everest? Yes,
So
yes.
that's what they
And
like.
yes, they have many cliff with the bodies
Mm.
around the mountain Everest.
So they like
Mm.
that kind of sports even if they are the sacrifice they can able to sacrifice their life in order
Yes.
to reach the top or
Mm.
uh the edge or the end point of the mountain. Okay, so
Mm.
different. Now it's your turn po. Can you give me a sentence using the word different? Different.
Different.
Different. Extreme sports is different than sports because in sports only you can lose your what? Your money. Like for example in basketball, in volleyball, here in the Philippines po, we had a money to or should what we say gambling. Gambling. So Do you know the word gambling, right? Gambling.
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 Gambling. No, no.
Okay, so I
Not
will
really.
give you an example or the definition of this one. So, gambling. So, you can have or you can write or you can take note of this one so that you have another words that you can apply. By the way, this word is should say a negative one. Okay, because take note, gambling po is the act of risking money or something valuable on a game. Okay, so for example, if you win, you have money or prize. Then if
Mm,
you lose, you will lose also your money. Or should we say bet? For example, if you win, you will get 100 on me. But if you lose, you will give 100 on me. Okay, so did you try gambling, Pok? Did you try gambling? Or you
mm.
had not?
No.
Okay. So that is a negative side. Okay, because some person, some like this one, some millionaire, billionaire, or even zillionaire lost their money because of gambling.
Mm,
Okay, so you are I'm pretty sure that you will not be like them because you don't know how to gambling or how to gamble. Okay, so in China po, there, what is the kind of cards? Do you try to play cards? Playing card games like poker, blackjack.
mm. Yes. In Vietnam, we play the poker
Mm-hmm.
uh, in the end of the year. It
Then,
just yes.
how about in betting? Did you try bet when you play poker?
Mm-hmm.
Did you try put money? Then if you will
Uh,
win, you get those money.
yes. We use the money for uh to is it called gambling?
Yes, gambling.
Mhm.
So when you
Yes.
put
Yes, we put the money for gambling, but it is very small
okay.
amount.
So
It's
just
just
for fun.
yes, enough for you to buy them the coffee or the
Mm.
candy. Yeah.
Okay. So that's a good example of the word gambling. Okay. So how about po lottery? Lottery tickets. Did you try
Yes.
to bet on that one? Lottery ticket. Hope
Sometimes.
hoping hoping to win a big cash, right?
Yes.
On letter. And the last one is casino games. How about casino games?
Vietnam. There's a how casino game.
Mhm. Okay. So,
Mm,
uh,
you don't
I
accept
will
it.
share you po few words. Okay. So, actually po gambling, okay, gambling can be fun, right?
Mm.
When you gamble with your friends, when you play with your friends, but it can also become what? Become addictive,
Mm.
right? So, for example, you will play every day. You will gamble every day. So that time you will become addictive. Then also, some people lose large amounts of money because they keep trying to win back what they lost. Okay,
Mm.
they will multiply their loss so that they will come. Their money will be in return. Okay, so and also gambling is not a reliable way to earn money. Okay, so the reliable way to earn money po is to what? Is to work. Right? And also to do business. Okay, then How about this one po? Experience.
Experience.
Do you have an experience po in extreme sports?
No, because I have never tried any extreme sport, but I played the roller coaster.
Mhm.
Yes,
Okay.
and I think it's the same feeling and the same experience.
Okay, like you are paying to scared yourself.
Yes.
Like you will pay an amount of money, then instead that you will become happy, you will become scared because uh you are afraid of heights, right? Did you still remember person who is afraid on heights? Did you still remember?
Uh,
Person afraid of heights. So, uh, I haven't. Okay, so or I remember acrophobia. Okay,
yes, that, yes.
acrophobia. Okay, so on riding a roller coaster. Okay, so actually po, personally, I haven't tried to be in a roller coaster
Hmm.
because I think I cannot uh, finish the the said turn because some roller coaster here you will be have at least 10 minutes, 15 minutes. So I think I cannot survive. I think I become dizzy
Hmm.
when riding a roller coaster. Okay, so next book, the last one. The word is challenge. Okay, so it is
Oh,
very simple. Can you give me a sentence book using the word challenge?
mm,
Challenge, challenge. Or challenging.
any any sentence?
Yes.
Um,
Can you give me a sentence?
mm, I decided to quit my current job
Mm-hmm.
to apply for new position. Uh, due to I want to challenge myself
Mm-hmm.
in the new um in the new uh new fields.
Okay, so challenge. Okay,
Mm.
so very good. And also po, let's relate it in the topic. Okay, so for example, my question is climbing the mountain po is a sports or an extreme sports? Climb
Mountain climbing.
climbing the mountain. In your
Yes.
opinion,
Climbing the mountain is the
yes.
extreme
Extreme?
sport.
Okay. So it is extreme sports. Okay. So sentence is climbing the mountain was a big challenge.
Yes.
But we never give up. Gave up. Okay, but sad to say po, there are a lot of climbers. I think last month, right? So they can't survive. Okay, so sad to say, but that's the reality. So that's why we considered climbing the mountain an extreme sports. Okay, then also we have so many examples like for example, uh Pook Pook accepted the challenge to speak in front of the whole company. Did you try Pook to speak in front of the whole company or on the whole co-workers like on a meeting? Did you try?
Uh, Sorry. I'm not clearly.
Did you
Try what?
try? Did you try? Did you try to? speak at front of your coworkers during a meeting?
Speak at front of.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, yes. Sure. I I'm joined the meeting.
Mm-hmm.
Very usually.
Did you try?
Um.
Did you feel it as a challenging
Mm,
or not
it's
really?
it, it's worse. The challenging with me. I think it's 2 years ago, but
Mhm.
now it's not.
it,
It is not.
it is very easy for you.
Yes.
Okay,
And,
because you have mastered, right? But
mm,
at first, it is very difficult, right? It was
mm,
very challenging on your part.
yes.
Okay, but
Mm,
in the help of consistency, right? Like you will do it every day, every week, consistently, you become more capable of doing it, right? So the secret of everything is constant practice, right? So, and also here in our class, so the secret also on improving ourselves, so is constant practice to improve our English. Okay, because also in my side, I am not really good at English, but if I will continue practice, talk,
mm.
and constantly uh, talk to other person by using English, I can improve yourself. I can improve myself. Okay? So do you believe on that book? Do you believe on that?
Yeah, sure. I think in learning English by the communicate more and more you can, it will have us improve English. Mm, it's the better way than we just only learn in the paper.
Mm-hmm.
Mhm.
Oh,
Language need to communicate from people with people.
how about book in your workplace with your coworkers? What is your language? Is it a Vietnamese or English with your
Um,
coworkers?
hmm. In my company, almost employee are Vietnamese, and they have in is there of some people
Mm-hmm.
in Taiwanese and Korean.
Mm-hmm. So, what is your mode when communicating? English.
No, of course, we communicate by Vietnamese.
Mm-hmm.
Um, yes,
So, but also when there were customers, so you can speak English,
yes,
right?
yes. We just communicate by English with customer in the USA.
Mm-hmm.
Um, but it just only by email, and
Oh,
is yes, it's don't have many opportunity for you to talk directly. Yeah.
okay, okay. But
Hmm.
actually po, uh, American people was so fluent at English,
Mm.
right?
Yes.
They are very good at English, and sometimes when they talk English, we can't understand them because they
Mm.
are very fluent, and also there were American people that very slang,
Mm.
like when they
Yes.
say water instead of water. How do you say water in Vietnam?
Nước.
Ah, okay. Look what when you said water. Can you say water?
The accent.
Ah, yeah, yeah, the
Yes.
accent.
Water.
water. Okay, so in America, they will remove the R. 'Di ba? They will remove the R, so they will pronounce like water.
Mm.
So some American will that kind of accent, like instead of reading water, so they will only read this one water. So that you can sometimes it is a problem for us. It become a medium of misunderstanding, right?
Yes.
Okay.
But I think the American accent is easier than the England accents.
Mm. What's
This
your
is the nightmare.
what's your idea in England accent? What are the sample accent that you know?
Um, in American, they say water, but in England, they say water.
So instead of letter A, apple, so they will change it into O or like
Yes.
water, so water. So it is very there are so many different kinds of varieties in speaking English. Okay, so by the way po, uh, we time check 10:33. So let's end this first, then we'll continue again. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
Okay.